It's Labor Day, September 7th, and this is the Numbers Lady ready for a little number walk. We're in the backyard again, and I'd like to look past the pond. Let's see if there's any turtles there. There should be. And then we'll go to the backyard and take a look at the patterns in the backyard. Aha, I'm going to turn it around now. Yep, we see the big turtle. There he is. And we have a new leaf, that baby leaf right in front now that just opened up last night. See how much smaller it is? But I'll tell you, it's going to grow. The same pattern, same design, and a new leaf in this pond. Isn't that fun? All right, now let's go to the back. It's big. And we see the chess game here. Look at this big chess game. It's human size. Now we're going to do a little bit of measurement, and Jasmine's going to help me. So she's going to help me. The same kinds of characters, but a different color. Right? So that is 16 black, 16 white. We can count them together. Different characters of the chess pieces would be 32, right? Is that okay? Is it 32? Should be 32 characters. Now, we have lots of squares, though. They play on a chessboard. Notice the pattern is black, white, black, white. How you put the pieces depends on the color of the pieces and the color of the spaces. So, let's measure the size of one of these squares. Jasmine, you ready? Let's do this one in the corner here. What is the size of the square?
All right.
All right. It is, let's put it straight back there. It is probably 17 and a half inches. It requires about 18. Let's look over here. Put it a little straight. You've got a little angle there. That's right. 17 and a half. Okay. So between the two of them, you have to have a little space in between. This is made out of stone. 17 inches. Let's check the other. Is it really a square? Let's try this dimension.
All right. Let's do it straight.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Yes, 17 and a half again. All right, let me turn it around so we can see that from the side you're looking at. Okay, 17 and a half. So these are 17 and a half by 17 and a half squares. You have to add a little bit of room for the break between them. So let's assume they're 18 inches. Let's make them very, very easier to work with. And we have how many squares in each row? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 squares this way, and how many squares this way? I think it's 8, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are there 8? Yes. 8 squares by 8 squares. So how many different squares are there in a chessboard? Should be 64, 8 by 8. You can see all of the pieces. And if we know half of them are black and half are whitish, how many are black? Half of 64, 32. Half white, 32. Arithmetic should be taught together. Add, subtract, multiply, divide. So we've done some division. We've done some multiplication. We haven't done any subtraction. So let's do that. How about if I take away one of these guys? We just lost one of the little short guys on the front. There were 8. We take away 1. Ooh, look at that empty space. Little dirt there from the rain. Now there are only 7. If I subtract all the white ones, there are 32 pieces. Are there? No. How many pieces were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 16 white. 16 black is 32. If I subtract all the whites, I'm back to 16 from 32. So use all the 4 operations, add, subtract, multiply, divide, all together, not have to be taught separately. All right, I think that's enough for today. And you can figure out how big this chessboard is that I built out of stone. I designed it. And then we have a rim. Okay, Jasmine, we need you to measure a little more. What's the size of the rim? It's 1 brick. How long is each brick? How long is each brick? How long, not wide.
Oh, sorry.
How long is the brick? Each brick is like 8 inches. And how wide is each brick? All right. It's a little under 4 inches, about 4 inches with the spacing between. So we need 8 inches and the 4 inches. And notice the bricks go all the way around, creating a nice rim. And that makes a living chessboard the size that people can use. Okay? All right, remember there are 16 pieces on each side, the whites, 16 pieces on the left, and you can add them together, subtract, multiply. Look at the chessboard. That creates all 4 operations in one visible board. Talk to you soon tomorrow. Have a great Labor Day. Hope you have a picnic. Hope your weather is as nice as we are in Washington. Those of you in California, I fear for you that it is so hot, and I pray that it gets cooler as of tonight. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.